Assalamualaikum and good day to everyone and Miss. My name is Amira Batisha binti Aziz and today I would like to present about our PBL1, which is the water distribution system. For the first one is the introduction. This study focused on the water distribution system at the canteen of Polytechnic Kuching Sarawak. Water supply plays an important role in daily canteen operations. It is used for cooking and food preparation, washing utensils, as well as cleaning and maintaining hygiene. Without a proper water system, these activities cannot run efficiently. The aim of this study is to understand how the water distribution system works. Besides that, we also want to identify the main components in the system, analyze water flow and pressure control, detect possible leakage issues, and finally propose some improvement strategies. Next, I would like to present about the study area. The study area is located at the canteen of Polytechnic Kuching Sarawak. This area experiences high usage from both students and staff every day. Because of that, the canteen requires a continuous and reliable water supply to support its operations. The main activities in this area include food preparation, dishwashing, and cleaning and sanitation. Therefore, the water distribution system must be able to support high demand, especially during peak hours such as lunchtime. Next is the water source and supply chain. For the water source, the canteen receives water from the central water supply system, which is connected to the building's main storage tank. The flow process starts from the main storage tank where water is stored before distribution. Then, water flows through the distribution pipeline system. Next, a control valve is used to regulate the flow of water. After that, a pressure reducing valve or PRV helps to control and stabilize the water pressure. Water meter is also installed to measure the amount of water used. Finally, the water is distributed to the canteen outlets for daily use. That is all for me. Next, I will pass this presentation to Nat.
My name is Nurnia Natasha binti Muhammad Faizal. So for the next slide is I will explain about system type and hydraulic principles. First, for the type of system, this is a pressurized water distribution system. It is commonly used in campus or urban areas because it can deliver water efficiently to multiple users at the same time. Next, for the hydraulic principles involved, the system operates based on gravity flow and pressure-driven flow. Water flows due to elevation differences and pressure differences, and the pressure is controlled using components such as pressure-reducing valves and control valves. So now we are moving to the objective of this system. The main goals are to maintain stable pressure throughout the network, to ensure uniform water distribution to all users, and to prevent pipe damage caused by excessive pressure. And next is network components. I will explain the main components of the water distribution network. First, the main water storage tank. This component stores treated water to ensure a continuous supply. It also helps maintain system pressure and provides extra water during peak demand periods. Second, the pipes of distribution network. These pipes transport water to users across the system. They are typically made from PVC or steel and are designed to handle appropriate flow and pressure conditions. Third is the control valves. These valves are used to regulate water flow, isolate sections for maintenance, and control the direction and rate of flow. Next is the pressure reducing valve, PRV. This is important component that reduces high water pressure, protects pipes from damage, and ensures the system operates at a safe pressure level. Then the water meter, it is used to measure water usage, assist in billing proposals, and help detect leaks or abnormal consumption. After that, the pipe joints and fittings. These are used to connect pipe section and adjust pipe sizes when needed. When properly installed, they help prevent leakage. And finally is the drainage connection points. This allows the system to discharge excess water prevent flooding, and connect to the main drainage system. In conclusion, this system combines proper hydraulic principles and well-designed components to ensure efficient, safe, and reliable water distribution. Thank you.
Good day everyone, especially to Miss Mimi. My name is Akira Omer bin Saidi. So, in this section, I will explain how the system operates and how pressure is controlled. First, water is stored in the main tank. This tank acts as a storage unit to ensure a continuous water supply, especially during high demand periods. Next, water is released from the tank through a control valve. This valve helps regulate the flow of water entering the distribution system. After that, a pressure reducing valve, or also known as PRV, is used to stabilize the water pressure. This is very important because excessive pressure can damage pipes and fittings. At the same time, a water meter is installed to record water usage. This allows monitoring of consumption and helps in detecting any abnormal usage or leakage. And finally, the water is distributed to the canteen system, ensuring that all outlets receive a consistent and adequate water supply. Now, regarding pressure control, pressure control plays a critical role in the system. It ensures a safe flow rate, preventing sudden surges that may damage the pipeline. It also helps reduce stress on the pipes, which increases the lifespan of the system and lowers maintenance costs. In addition, proper pressure control ensures efficient water distribution, especially during peak usage times when demand is high. Okay, now moving on to the next part. So in this section, I will discuss the leakage risk and assessment of the system. So as we all know, leakage is one of the common issues in the water distribution systems, and it can lead to several negative impacts. Firstly, leakage causes water wastage, which is not only inefficient but also increases operational costs. Secondly, it reduces the overall system efficiency because water supply does not fully reach the intended uses. In addition, leakage can lead to increased maintenance costs due to frequent repairs and system monitoring. Now, moving on the contributing factors, one of the factors is moisture exposure, which can weaken pipe materials over time. Another factor is aging infrastructure. Older pipes are more prone to cracks, corrosion, and failure. High water pressure, especially in weak or damaged pipes, can also accelerate leakage and worsen existing issues. Based on the assessment, several risks have been identified. So, pipe corrosion due to long-term usage is a major concern as it gradually reduces the strength of the pipes. Poor maintenance practices can allow small issues to go unnoticed until they become serious problems. Loose pipes connections are another common source of leakage, especially at joints and fittings. And lastly, water leakage is often found near drainage areas, which may indicate hidden pipe damage or improper installation. So in conclusion, identifying these risks early is important to prevent system failure and ensure a reliable water supply. That is all from me. Now I'm going to pass the next part of the presentation to Miss Nilam. Thank you.
My name is Sayaman Gambiti Abang Abusmaon. So on this slide, I will explain the detection and improvement strategies that can help reduce water leakage and improve the water distribution system. The first strategy is pipe replacement. All or damaged pipe should be replaced because they are one of the main causes of water leakage. By replacing this pipe, the risk of leakage can be reduced and the system can operate more efficiently. The second strategy is routine inspection. Regular inspection, such as weekly visual check on pipe and valves, are important to identify early signs of leakage. corrosion, or pipe damage before the problem becomes more serious. The third strategy is smart meter installation. Smart meter can automatically detect unusual water flow in the system. If there is a sudden increase in water usage, it may indicate a leakage, allowing maintenance team to take action quickly. The last strategy is system monitoring. By monitoring water usage in real time, the management can track water consumption and identify abnormal patterns in the system. Overall, these strategies help to improve system efficiency and reduce water loss. So finally, for the conclusion, the water distribution system at Kentin Polytechnic Kuching Sarawak plays an important role in supporting daily activities such as cooking, washing, and cleaning. Based on the study, the system is generally functioning well, but several issues were identified, including pipe damage, leakage risk, and insufficient maintenance. The study shows that visual inspection is useful for detecting simple problems in the system. To improve the system performance, regular maintenance and inspection should be carried out, damaged pipe should be replaced, and proper pressure control should be implemented. In addition, the installation of smart water meter can help monitor water usage more effectively and detect unusual water flow that may indicate leakage. In conclusion, by applying this improvement, the water distribution system can operate more efficiently, reduce water wastage, and ensure a more reliable water supply for the canteen. So that is all from us. Thank you.